Zama Hair Studio.
Hi guys, how are you dear ladies? How are you my beautiful, gorgeous, loving ladies out there? This is your girl Zama. I'm a hairstylist guys. So I'm here guys for those who love to do hair, for those who love to rock on their own hairstyles at home. So I'm a stylist guys who love to make hair and do those simple hair tutorials guys for you. So this channel is for everyone. I mean everyone who wants to slay on their own guys. Those who want to slay on their own styles or level up their braiding game. You know, if you want to level up your braiding game, this is a girl for you. Okay guys, so yeah, welcome to Zama's Hair Studio. Alright guys, so we are here guys on this channel and we are going to do some magic. Nangtola guys, you hear me, some ladies, you hear me ladies, my angel, my beautiful people out there, huh? Do you hear me? We are going to do some magic on this channel guys, because mainly guys we are focusing on our hair. Like we are focusing on our hair because you know the beauty of a woman is hair. Just make your hair, even if you're not dressing well, uzoba, I'm telling you, just do your hair. Whether you're dressing good hair, doesn't matter. Just look beautiful on your hair, then you look presentable. So yeah guys, I'm here for you. So I'm going to deliver guys, I'm going to deliver. So before I go anywhere, before we start, I just want to tell you guys, just pause and press that subscription button below guys. Just press it guys. Just press that subscription button and then join the family so that you can grow guys. And don't forget to like my video, just like it and hit that notification bell so that every time I upload a video guys, you'll be the first one to see it, and then you just come and check with it what's there on Zama's Hair Studio, what's new on Zama Hair Studio guys. So you see, all right guys, so on this channel guys, mainly we are focusing on hair tutorials. We'll be focusing on wig makings. I'll be showing you guys how to make wigs, hair tutorials. For those who want to learn cornrows, I'm there for you. If you want to learn to do Ben and Betty, I'm there for you. If you want to if you want to learn to do knotless or braids or twist or anything guys, I'm going to deliver. I'm going to deliver guys. As you can see, these are my previous hair tutorials guys that I've done recently on my other channel that I'm having currently now. Cause why did I open this one? It's because I don't want to mix my content guys, cause on this channel that I'm having currently guys, I'm doing some home workouts, so I don't want to mix and confuse, you know, I don't want to mix and confuse people. So I just want to focus on my home workouts, on my fitness journey, like fitness what on that other one. And then on this particular one guys, we are here to focus on our hair, on how to look beautiful lady, on how to look beautiful as ladies, and telling each other, giving each other some advice on what to put on your hairline, which gel must you use, which hairpiece is this. Guys, it's here, we are just having fun here. Kumnandi apa guys, kumnandi lana, kumnandi here is nice guys. So just stay tuned guys. Please, I'm begging you, please subscribe on this channel guys, so that we can grow and move to another level. And guys, let's just subscribe and let's just move on and move on and move on. Then so I promise guys, we are here for beauty. All right, so that's it guys. I just want to tell you, I just want to introduce myself. and then to tell you what are we doing on this channel. So far so good, guys. I told you what we are doing on this channel, so it's up to you guys to subscribe and like the video, and then we move on. All right, guys, so thank you so much for watching. I'm sure, guys, I'll see you soon. Definitely, guys, we must take this thing out and start our journey. All right, guys. Okay, bye, guys. See you on my next. Love you.